guys, I'm here. It's a beautiful country town. Look around. Oh, the trees so beautiful, mountains, woods. I'm out. I'm going to cook French toast here. Before I'm cooking, I'll take you have a quick look. I'm so excited to cook in this beautiful country town. Let's get started. We have 3 eggs. Let's beat the eggs one by one into a mixing bowl. I'm sure you can do this. Now, let's pour half cup of milk. Sprinkle a little bit black ground pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put a little bit chilli flakes. It's optional if you don't like spicy. Just a little bit vanilla can give us beautiful flavor. About 1 teaspoon. Just enjoy listening the birds sing. Oh, so beautiful. Whisk it well with a fork. Here we have some bread. I just got this from supermarket. Yeah, there are lots of different kinds of bread. I think you can choose what you like. I think that's not a big problem. I just pick 6 pieces of bread. Big enough for 3 people. Let's put a medium-high heat. Just waiting for the pan to be hot, and this time I can't resist to see around. Oh, so beautiful, like heaven. I'm so lucky to cook here. Just put some oil in pan and some butter in pan. Time to coat the bread. Let's do this a little bit quicker, unless the bread will get soggy. Okay, put in pan. Another one. Smells so good. Yeah, about 2 minutes or so. Just turn over them. Look at the color. Golden brown, so beautiful. 2 pieces of bread are done. Let's get them out. Let's just do another 4 pieces of bread in same way. Now the 2 done. Get them out. Then let's do the last 2. Just coating and coating. It's so much fun, isn't it? It's a little bit dry. let's add a little bit oil, then the color will be beautiful. Last 2 pieces of bread nearly done. I'm so happy. I just want to dance. Oh, celebrate.
Okay, all done. How many pieces, darling?
I got 6. Oh, they look so delicious, don't they? Oh, I can't wait to eat them. Have them with fruit, with bacon, with anything you want. They are just perfect breakfast or snacks. Let's have a change with our breakfast. You guys want to give it a try?